How to join anyone on Roblox, also without being friends. In order for you to do this, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the application Roblox. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, now you will need to head over to Connect. Now in the search bar, search for the username of the person that you want to join with. Head over to their profile. Well, if they are already in their game, you will also be able to see the option of join. For that, the profile of this person should be public, and then only you'll be able to join. If not, you can click on Add Connection at the bottom. And when they accept the request, you will be able to join with them. Or else, you can go back and head over to any of the game right over here and click on it. And then tap on Play at the bottom. This way you will be joining anyone on Roblox. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.